Hi everyone, cleared up a little bit here, so I changed the prop, running a 6x3, dropped in a 4-cell battery, so let's see how much I can scare myself here. So only about 30% throttle there on launch. I noticed since the previous video, if I launch with a slightly flatter trajectory, like about 30... Whoa, get out of the sun. 30-degree angle of attack, it doesn't, the nose still goes up, but it doesn't go up quite as aggressively. Now I notice as the speed has come up here on 4S that it does zoom a little bit. Not that I'm too worried. I'm not going to fly it a whole lot on 4S, and I'd rather it zoom than dive. Clips right along. So we're going to do a full throttle turn. Oh yeah, still super stable, even with that that bit of extra speed. Nice. As she rips. Yeah, nice and stable with that extra speed. Again, quieter than a prop and slot. Although I think sometimes I can actually hear the air going through those scale intakes. Sounds pretty cool. The need for speed. Victory roll on climb out. Yeah, baby. Put a little G there. All right, let's take it down here to the right. Bring it in and land. Nice. Too much fun. So yeah, I really, you know, I wanted to just kind of put it through its paces there. Like I said, I am seeing a little bit of zooming there, but you know, nothing that's too bad. It's you know, it's fairly gradual, not as bad as I've seen on some other planes as they wind out to top throttle. And again, I'm not going to fly this a whole lot probably on 4S, but you know, it's nice to crank it up with a little of adrenaline there with some 4S. And I saw, you know, really, again, just track like it was on rails in those full throttle turns. No, you know, the nose tracks just beautifully. So I was very happy to see that. Looks like the wing is good and strong. You know, I put 4mm carbon rod in the wing, two bits of it. So, and with the KF4, it seems to be super strong. Not seeing any wing flex there. So anyway, there was a little 4S madness on the FRCF F-18 Hornet. So please check out the video description down below for links to much more info. And thanks for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.